This is Vivo V40 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone, or even if you have bought this, then this video can be helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. If your phone is locked, then anyone can access this control center and change these settings. But if you want to disable this, you can also do this. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen and wallpaper. There you will see the option of lock screen settings. Click on this and then disable this open control center from the lock screen. Now whenever your phone is locked, no one can access your control center or change any settings. You can also enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature. Simply open your setting, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of smart motion. Click on this and then click on smart screen on or off. Firstly, enable this double tap to wake and then enable this double tap to turn off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the empty area to lock your smartphone and double tap to wake your screen up. You can also clone any application or make dual of any application. Simply open this iManager application and then click on utility tools. There you will see the option of app clone. Click on this. It will show all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to clone. It will take few seconds, then it will create the clone of that application. As you can see in my app drawer, there are 2 Facebooks now and I can log in with 2 different accounts in this smartphone. You can also enable the shake to turn on your flashlight feature. Simply open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of smart motion. Click on this and then enable this shake to turn on the flashlight. Now whenever your phone is locked, you have to press your power button once and then shake your phone like this. It will turn on your flashlight. If you will long press the power button in the smartphone, then it will launch the voice assistant app instead of opening your power menu. To disable this and set the power menu for this, open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of press and hold power button. Click on this and again click on press and hold the power button. By default it is selected to launch Google Assistant. You have to set the power menu. Now whenever you will long press your power button, it will launch your power menu. You can also monitor your real-time internet speed in your status bar, and you don't have to download any third-party app for this. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. There you will see the option of status bar. Click on this and then enable this show real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. You can also show your battery percentage in your status bar. By default it doesn't show your battery percentage. Click on battery style and percentage. Here select display outside battery. You can also change the style of this battery percentage. So that's how you can show real-time internet speed and change this battery percentage icon in the smartphone. This phone comes with a cool feature of always on display. By default this feature is disabled. You have to open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen and wallpaper. There you will see the option of always on display. Click on this. Firstly enable always on display. Then click on AOD styles. Here you have different styles. You can select your favorite one, apply. Now come back, you can also schedule the time for this always on display. Click on display mode and then select schedule display. Here you can set your starting time and the ending time for this AOD. You can also set the app for which you want to use this always on displays. Click on notification and then select your favorite application. So that's how you can enable always on display feature in this smartphone. You can also lock any application in this smartphone. Open your control center and then click on this colorful icon and then click on app lock. Firstly, you have to set a privacy password. You can set a 6-digit password or you can use a different password type. Here I select pattern, draw your pattern, confirm your pattern. Answer 2 security question and then click on next. Firstly, you have to set an email address. You can also skip this, come back and then click on app encryption. It will show all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to lock. Here I select files. Now whenever I will open this files, it will ask for that privacy password. You can also change this 3-button navigation to gesture navigation, or you can change the position of these 3 buttons. Open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on system. There you will see the option of system navigation on the top. Click on this. By default it is selected to 3-button navigation. You have to select gesture navigation, or if you want to change the position, you can change it from here. Select the gesture navigation and now you can go back like this. Open your recent app like this. And if you want to jump to the lock screen, then you can come on the lock screen like this. If you're playing video game or if you're doing any heavy task, then you can use this phone cooling feature. Simply open this iManager application, click on utility tools and then click on phone cooling. Then click on cool down. It will take few seconds, then it will automatically cool down your smartphone. You can fully customize your lock screen, the clock style and these quick application, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen and wallpaper. Then click on lock screen settings and then click on custom lock screen. Here click on the clock style. You can change the clock style, you can even change the font style and change the color of these fonts. Select your favorite one and then come back. Here if you want to change this quick application, select the app and here you have different options. Select your favorite application. You can also change this one and then click on apply. Now whenever you will open your smartphone, it will show that specific lock style and these quick application. You can also change the fingerprint animation in the smartphone. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on dynamic effects. There you will see the option of fingerprint recognition animation. Here you can select your favorite one. You have different options and then click on apply. You can also change the fingerprint icon animation. Click on this fingerprint icon animation. Here you have different options. Select your favorite one and again click on apply. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings and then click on notifications. There you will see the option of notification history. Click on this and then enable this. Now if someone will message you, it will save all those messages here and you will be able to read them even after he or she will delete it. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Simply open any application and then swipe up by using 3 fingers like this. Now select the second application. As you can see, you will be able to use 2 applications at the same time in a single screen. If you like to multitask, then you can use the next feature. The feature's name is small window. Simply open any application, put it in recent and then click on apps icon. There you will see the option of small window. Click on this and then it will open the application in floating window. You can also resize it from the corners. You can also drag and drop it anywhere and you can use your phone normally. It will remain as floating window in your smartphone. This phone comes with a special feature of smart sidebar. By default this feature is enabled, but to open this from the corner like this, click on got it and here it will show some application. If you want to edit this, then click on this little arrow and then click on edit. Here you can set your favorite application and you can also remove unnecessary application from this. After this, click on done. And now whenever you will open any application from this, it will open it in floating window and you will be able to use your favorite application very conveniently and efficiently. You can secretly record any voice or any conversation with the help of next feature. Simply open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of quick action. Click on this. By default it is selected to turn on or off the flashlight. You have to set record audio. Now whenever your phone is locked, you have to long press your volume down button, then it will automatically start recording your conversation, as you can see. So with the help of this, you can secretly record any conversation in this smartphone. You can also hide any application in this smartphone and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Firstly, open your settings, scroll down and then click on security. Again scroll down and then click on privacy and app encryption. Firstly, you have to set a privacy password, but we have already done this. Draw your pattern and then click on app hiding. Firstly, enable this view hidden application and then select the application you want to hide. For example, I want to hide my Snapchat and then click on confirm. Now if you will open your app drawer, it will not show Snapchat anywhere. To access your hidden apps, simply swipe up by using 2 fingers on the home screen. Draw your privacy password and then it will show your hidden application. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you must enable these 2 features in your smartphone. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. Firstly, enable this dark theme, then it will turn all the whites into black and it will decrease the pressure on your eye. The second one is eye protection. If you will enable this, then it will warm the color of the screen and it will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So you must enable these 2 features if you use your phone at night a lot. This phone comes with a cool feature of ambient light, but by default this feature is disabled. To enable this, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on dynamic effects. There you will see the option of ambient light effect. Click on this and then enable this. You can use it for music, for incoming calls and for notifications. You can select different category from here. As you can see in the preview, it will look something like this and then click on apply. If you want to use your phone with a single hand, then next feature is for you. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Scroll down and then click on one-handed mode. Enable this one. And now to open the one-handed mode, you have to swipe like this from the corner. Then it will open your one-handed mode and you will be able to use your phone with a single hand. To exit it, and then click on this cross icon. There are multiple ways by which you can click a screenshot in the smartphone. The first one is to use your three fingers and swipe down like this. The second way is to press your volume down button and power button at the same time. And now if you want to click a long screenshot, then click a normal screenshot and then click on this long screenshot. Now scroll down to adjust the length and then click on save. That's how you can click a long screenshot. Now if you want to click a screenshot of a specific area, then open your control center and then click on S capture. There you will see the option of rectangular screenshot. Click on this and then select the area. You can also edit this, write anything on this, otherwise click on save. So that's how you can click a long screenshot and a partial screenshot in this smartphone. Open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Again scroll down and then click on voice isolation. Here with the help of this, it will reduce the background noise if you are on any kind of call or video call. Simply open it for phone and then enable this always on, and you can also enable for this specific application for video calls on Meet. So with the help of this, you can reduce the background noise on any kind of voice call or video call. If you're using your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uneasy to reach at the top and open this notification center. But there's a simple gesture for this. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on home settings. There you will see the option of swipe downward on home screen. Click on this. By default, it is selected to global search. You have to select notification center. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area and it will open your notification center. This phone comes with a cool feature for incoming calls and notification. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of dynamic light. Click on this. Here you can see if someone will call you or message you, it will show this dynamic effect in your flashlight. You can set it for different application, enable this notification and then select the app for which you want to use this. By default, it is set for all apps. You can set your favorite application, otherwise keep it on all apps. You can also use it for music, for different effects, for rhythm, soft or dynamic. Or you can also set it for different application. Even you can set it for YouTube. Enable this. So with the help of this, you can enable cool looking feature for incoming calls or notification in this smartphone. If you want to connect your smartphone to your smart TV, then you have to open your notification center and then click on this pencil icon. There you will see the option of screencast, tap and hold it and then drag and drop to your control center. Now come back. You have to open the screencast feature and then it will start showing the name of your TV and you will be easily able to connect your smartphone with your television. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Vivo V40 5G smartphone. If this video was helpful for you, then please like this video and let us know in the comment section. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.